In this video tutorial, I'm gonna demonstrate how to represent data in a bar diagram inside Excel. Let me choose this problem. The problem is that a student out of 100 got different marks in different subject, and the subject are given here: Telugu, Hindi, English, Math, Science and Social Science, and corresponding marks he or she obtained are: in Telugu he or she obtained 85, in Hindi he or she got 74, and in English he or she got 68, in Math he or she got 90, and in Science 75, and in Social Science he or she got 50 marks. So we want to represent this data in a bar diagram inside Excel. So first thing first, open the Excel, click on the Windows search bar and type Excel, and our program is here, Excel. Let me open this. Choose blank workbook, maximize the window. First I want to insert the problem as a screenshot here. To do that, first we need to go to insert. This is insert, and here under illustration we will choose a screenshot, and beside in screenshot there is a little arrow down here, and we will choose screen clipping, and let's drag the area that contain the problem. Okay, the problem is inserted inside this sheet 1 as a picture. Now first we need to type all this data in a tabular form. So first I'm gonna write here as subject. I'm gonna write here subject, subject, subject. Then the cell below the subject we will write as marks obtained, right? And we will align it right alignment, and beside this we will type all the subject name, that is Telugu. Then and in Telugu he got 85 marks, in Hindi he got 74 marks, in English he got 68 marks, right? 68 English, Telugu, Hindi, English. And now the maths, he or she got 90, that's a pretty decent mark. And in science he or she got 75, and in social science I will type it as social, and he got just 50 marks, not well. Okay, so first we are gonna increase the font size to 18 so that everything is visible to us, and make all them as bold, middle alignment. And now we are seeing that these text are not fitting the cell. To fit them we can manually increase the width of the cell, or we can double click here, 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 and here as well. So now our datas are perfectly fitted in their corresponding cell, and first I'm going to make all the border. I'm going to draw all the borders. To do that, we are gonna choose this icon here and then all borders. So now you can see the data are arranged in a tabular form. So now we are gonna draw the bar diagram. How we can draw the bar diagram? First we need to select this range. How we can select this range? Just click on the subject and then draw the area. Now go to insert. This is insert, and here it is bar diagram. Go to 2D bar diagram and inside, and then click it. Here you can see the bar diagram. Sorry. First, yeah, that's pretty fine. But if I wish to show the number corresponding to the subject, how we can do that? Click on the plus icon and enable the data label, right? And now you can see all the data labels are so up here. And if we want to draw horizontal bar diagram, how we can draw this? So the process is pretty similar. Select the entire range, then click on insert, then bar diagram, and then 2D bar diagram, and here is 2D horizontal bar diagram. Click on it. Okay, now you are good to go. Here you can see everything is arranged horizontally. These bars are arranged horizontally. Here the bars are arranged vertically, but they represent the data here, right? And if we want to enable the data label, then we can do this. Here is the check the box in the beside data label, then it would be visible to us. If we want to change the appearance of the data, here is a lot of bunch of option. You can have this or this or this or this or this or this, but it is very good to my eyes. You can change the color as well of this bar. You can change different colors. It's up to you what is pleasing to your eyes, and you can do the same things here as well. To me this is looking good. So this is how you can draw bar diagram inside Excel. You may save your file here inside your desktop. Let me do the same things. Go to save and save as. Go to my Excel sheet, and yeah, bar chart. Okay, let's save this as Excel workbook. Now I can close this file.